Okay, now we're going to add the detail. So on this right side, I need to add 2 windows. On this left side, or the front, I need to add a door and a window. Okay, I'll start on the right side. It looks like my center line runs right through, oops, let me show this. It looks like my center line runs right through the middle of my windows. To the left, I've got a small window above the shower, and to the right, I've got a little bit larger window that's in the bedroom. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add in the 2 windows. I'm going to add in the 2 windows that we originally drew in the right elevation. So my center is here. This line right here is my center. If you recall, I went 8 feet for the height of the wall, but only 7 feet for the height of the windows, the top edge of the windows. So when I go up to the center, I don't want to go to the top of my wall. You can kind of see the light line that I erased from the top of the wall. I'm going to go a little bit below that. So I'm just going to make a mark here, a little bit below the 8-foot line. And I'm going to draw, that's going to be the top edge of my windows. And from this point, I'm going to draw it down to the vanishing point over here. Remember, everything goes to the vanishing points. So this is going to be my top of my door and window here. This is going to be the top of the 2 windows here. And I said I had a little window to the left and a bigger window to the right. So let me just, to the left a little bit, I'm going to make a little window. So I'm just going to draw just a little vertical line, line it up with the vanishing point. And draw another vertical line. So there's my little window. That would be this one. And now just to the right of center, I'm going to make a little bit larger one. And I'm just estimating the size of this. So I'm going just to the right of center. I'm going to make a little bit larger window. I'm going to take it to the vanishing point. And give it some thick, or give it some width. Okay. Trim this up a little bit. Okay, so there, my 2 windows are here. Now you can go in and add in the trim. Remember, we added trim around here. I'm going to let you go ahead and add in the trim. I'm going to put in the door and the window over here. So it looks like, if I estimate about center, it looks like the left side of my door is centered. So I'm going to come about to the center here. This is going to be about the left side of my door. The top edge is the same here. So I also have to show my my foundation line that runs along both elevations. So let's do that first. Let's put in the foundation. Just going to estimate the height of that foundation. Put that in over here. Okay, so there's our foundation. For the door, I'm going to go just above the foundation line. Remember, we didn't go all the way down to the foundation. We stayed above the foundation. This not a very straight line, is it? Okay. I'll take the bottom. Okay, so there's my door. Now I have to go just a little gap and put in a window as well. And I think this window and this window are about the same height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this window over to the center line and then over. That will keep this window and this window the same height. I'm just going to project this over to the center, and then from here so that'll be the bottom of the window. There's a little gap here between the window and the door. Darken in the top edge. Darken in the bottom edge. Okay, you can add the trim again. We have trim, we have a couple of windows, doorknob. You can add all that in the same way using the 2 points as our vanishing points. And this is your 2-point perspective exterior view of the house that we've been drawing. Okay, this one's a little more difficult. Takes a little more time. You may have to watch this video once or twice to get it. But make sure you put in your trim around your windows and doors. Add any other detail you may need. The toughest part is getting the overhang for the roof. That's the most difficult. Other than that, fairly simple. Okay, good luck. And let me know if you have any questions. If you don't understand something, either text me or email me. Anyway, get a hold of me and I'll give you a hand if you need it. Have a great week.